Are you ready for this? You're not ready for this. Dun, 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 dun. And we're zooming out, and we don't have enough time to zoom all the way out. Let's go over the code. So inside of our shader source fragment number 5, where we take a sample point and a layer index and get a flattened layer color, we have a flattened layer color here, the color of the tile, and we're going to combine a hue and a lum to get this color. And this is a sum to create the average of all of the tiles that exist on that sample chord. We have this new loop that loops through all of the tile size exponents. It looks a lot like this loop up here where we're getting all of the data. So we're doing the same exact loop, but now we're using the data. We're going to get the hue by going into this lookup table here, seeking to the correct data and offsetting by 0, 1, or 2 to get the red, green, and blue respectively, and then adding 1 for the alpha. The luminosity, we need to use this lookup table here, seek to the correct cluster of data, offset by the tile size we are currently on, and the final color will be the hue multiplied by the luminosity. Now this may be wasted, it might get thrown away, so we're gonna not fool ourselves that we're throwing stuff away, but if we have data for this tile, we are going to accumulate that color and keep track of how many colors are on this sample chord. Then outside of the loop, we are going to average it all together by dividing by how many colors are on that sample chord. Right here, we are no longer using strobe color, rest in peace. Now we are using this flattened layer color if a tile exists on the sample chord. What we did previously, and a whole bunch of footnotes as to why we did what we did, and you can pause here if you want to read what we did in this video. And right here is the video we are on. You can go here if you want more detailed information. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. This has been video 196. Like and subscribe.